Numerology number 8 is like number 4, one of the karmic numbers. By watching this video, you will understand why it is recommended to avoid or at least limit the use of it in the numerology chart. Number 8 corresponds with the planet Saturn, which is known for its beautiful and extensive ring system. Saturn is thereby one of the most recognizable planets in the solar system. People who have this number are able to create something that will last, something they will be recognized and remembered for, perhaps even after their death, so their name continues to live. This is represented by the number 8, which is an upright symbol of eternity. But their success is not delivered on a platter of gold, as number 8 is one of the karmic numbers. Luckily, number 8 is also one of the most resilient and hardworking numbers from 1 to 9, so they can handle it and they can keep fighting like nobody else. Number 8 is also known for having many principles. They embody characteristics of discipline, responsibility, and authority, and are destined for power and abundance. Number 8 can be a very complex number to explain and understand. Likewise, it is also one of the most difficult numbers to manage. Number 8 is a number of archetypal beauty. It can have extremely attractive features. Furthermore, it can act as a channel between the divine and the earthly realm. Number 8 can tap into deep emotions and express them through art or music in a way that resonates profoundly with others. Number 8 is often associated with time and eternity. The law of karma is closely linked to the Hermetic principle of cause and effect. It posits that every action, whether physical, verbal, or mental, has a corresponding reaction or consequence. The essence of karma is a natural process of cause and effect, where intent and actions of an individual influence the future of that individual, and people represented by number 8 experience the effect faster than others. The law of karma can also be illustrated using math. As number 8 resonates with abundance, success, and money, let's take it as an example. A person has a material fortune. When the person manages to scale it, it might seem like the person has more, but the amount of effort that is put into increasing the wealth costs the person in another area of life, which is time. The more we add, the less we have. People with this number may be able to become very wealthy, but they won't be able to live forever, at least not their physical body, but their names might. As Saturn is known as the planet of karma and a tough teacher, people with this number are very likely to hit many obstacles in life and live a very tough life. Number 8 is one of the most difficult numbers to balance, and when the energy becomes too strong, they become impatient and arrogant and may even tend to have an ego-driven agenda where they abuse their power over others in a negative way. But when the energy is too weak, their negative emotions can cloud their judgment and they develop a fear of being seen by others, which causes them to isolate themselves. Besides the energies being too weak or too strong, people with this number also have to balance the upper part of the number, which is connected to the divine and spiritual, and the lower part, which is connected to the earthly and material. Those who manage to balance it all and stay centered in the middle are people who humbly accept their karmic lessons and learns from them, rather than being victimized by them, which will make them appear as strong and actionable figures who own their personal power and abundance. How you experience your numbers depend on your overall chart and how well you manage the balance between the energies. Number 8 is often seen among powerful CEOs, head of state, and other types of people with a heavy responsibility. They are skilled at administration and may appear as the right hand of a leader or a hidden advisor. They can be highly intellectual and may choose a career within politics, law, real estate, or investment. but it is not unusual for them to choose a more creative path. 8 is also a number of inheriting and accumulating material wealth. I am offering one free reading to one of my viewers. To participate, you need to write the word that resonates the most with you, plus your birthday. And remember to like the video, as the winner will be pronounced once the video has 50 likes. The biggest life lesson for number 8 is to learn how to balance its energy and to find that place where their power and abundance comes to life. Creating their own social domain in which they are their own masters is highly needed in order to fully thrive. The life purpose of number 8 is to create something that will last. Whether it has something to do with participating in changes in society through politics, building a huge company, or creating beautiful art, or something completely different. Number 8 should focus on creating long-lasting and positive changes. Remember to watch my other videos about the numbers from 1 to 9 to see how number 8 is different.